In the OpenText Media Management add-in for Microsoft Office 365, you can search, discover, and insert assets from Media Management into Microsoft PowerPoint or Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the add-in for PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, open the Media Management add-in pane by going to the Home tab and selecting Show OTMM pane. Sign in using your Media Management account credentials. By default, the add-in pane displays assets that you recently accessed in Media Management. You can find the assets that you need by running a keyword search. You can also browse recent assets or assets that you added to the lightbox in Media Management. Use the navigation controls to browse pages and choose how many assets to display per page. Select the gear icon to sort assets on the current page. You can also choose whether to display the asset name. To view basic asset metadata, double-click the asset. To insert the asset in your presentation, click Insert Image while viewing the metadata. Or you can click Insert Image on the Asset tile. Thanks for watching.